time. In the echo we chase, there's a dream we embrace. No return, no delay, we accelerate space. No regret.